Are your mornings feeling dull and lackluster, leaving you longing for a touch of excitement in your daily routine? Say goodbye to your monotonous tea rituals and introduce a delightful change with a steaming cup of clove tea. Prepare to be transported to a winter wonderland as the warm, aromatic flavors of clove infuse every sip. But it doesn't end there. This enchanting beverage is also brimming with a multitude of benefits. From its remarkable hangover-curing properties to its ability to promote youthful-looking skin, clove tea truly works wonders. Before anything else, make sure to watch this video till the end to discover the incredible, unheard-of benefits of clove tea. Afterward, treat yourself to a cup of clove tea using the recipe provided in this video. Don't miss this chance to savor the delightful experience and embark on a captivating journey, exploring the countless delights and advantages that this delicious elixir brings. 1. Enhance your immunity. Are you tired of falling ill frequently and feeling like a walking tissue box? Say goodbye to those concerns because clove tea is here to save the day. This delightful and aromatic beverage possesses the power to give your immune system the boost it needs to combat those bothersome germs and viruses. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, particularly eugenol, which effectively neutralize harmful free radicals that can harm your cells and weaken your immune system. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory compounds present in clove tea act as peacekeepers for your immune system, ensuring inflammation remains under control so that your body can focus on combating genuine threats. But wait, there's more. Clove tea also boasts remarkable antimicrobial properties that help keep bacteria and viruses at bay. So, indulge in a cup of clove tea and empower your immune system to stay strong and resilient. 2. Regulate diabetes. Are you searching for a secret weapon to keep diabetes in check? Look no further than this spicy and flavorful beverage. A study published in the Journal of Natural Medicines discovered that clove extract had a significant impact on reducing blood sugar levels in rats. Furthermore, the study revealed that clove extract improved insulin sensitivity and reduced oxidative stress in diabetic rats. It's not magic, it's science at work. Cloves contain compounds that slow down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream, preventing sudden spikes and avoiding those dreaded sugar crashes. Additionally, clove tea enhances insulin sensitivity. So, the next time you're craving something sweet and concerned about its sugar content, reach for a mug of clove tea instead. Let its magic unfold as it helps regulate your blood sugar levels and supports your overall well-being. 3. Enhance digestive health. Unlock the power of improved digestion with the remarkable properties of clove tea. The primary component of cloves, eugenol, stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, aiding in the breakdown of food and alleviating symptoms of indigestion. The warm and comforting flavor of clove tea also works wonders by relaxing the muscles in your gastrointestinal tract, further facilitating the digestion process. But that's not all. Clove tea offers relief from various stomach-related issues, including nausea and bloating. Scientific studies have demonstrated that clove extract reduces symptoms of nausea and vomiting by reducing inflammation in the stomach and intestines. Consider clove tea as a comforting embrace for your gut, ensuring proper and efficient digestion while providing relief from common digestive discomforts. 4. Support liver detoxification. Picture your liver as a superhero tirelessly battling against the toxins and impurities that accumulate in your body. However, even superheroes sometimes need a trusty sidekick, and that's where clove tea comes into play. Consider clove tea as the loyal companion that amplifies your liver's capabilities to an even greater extent. By enjoying a cup of clove tea each day, you can keep those harmful toxins at bay. Clove tea contains compounds that stimulate bile production, a vital substance the liver utilizes to break down and eliminate toxins from your body. Moreover, drinking clove tea enhances the overall functioning of your liver, enabling it to become even more efficient at eliminating toxins and waste products from your system. Give your liver the support it deserves by incorporating the power of clove tea into your routine, and watch as it aids in detoxifying your body and promoting optimal liver health. 5. Promote restful sleep. Explore the sleep-enhancing qualities of cloves and their active compound, eugenol, which have been extensively studied for their potential benefits on sleep. A noteworthy study conducted in 2012 revealed that eugenol exerts a soothing effect on the central nervous system, making it a potential aid in promoting a restful sleep. Furthermore, another study discovered that eugenol possesses anxiolytic properties, effectively reducing anxiety levels, an issue commonly associated with insomnia. Additionally, the warmth and comforting sensation derived from sipping a hot cup of tea create an environment conducive to a good night's sleep. Who wouldn't cherish the gentle lullaby of a warm, spicy, and comforting tea, gently guiding you into a state of deep slumber? Embrace the calming influence of clove tea and experience nights filled with rejuvenating and uninterrupted rest. 6. Enhance skin health. Unlock the numerous benefits of clove tea for your skin, courtesy of its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. The antioxidants present in clove tea serve as guardians, shielding your skin from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to wrinkles and other signs of aging. Meanwhile, the anti-inflammatory properties of clove tea work to reduce redness and puffiness, leaving your skin looking and feeling refreshed and revitalized. But that's not all. The warm steam emanating from a cup of clove tea provides a spa-like experience for your face, offering a facial sauna session without the need to leave the comfort of your couch. Next time you feel your skin needs a rejuvenating boost, indulge in a cup of clove tea and let its antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties work their magic. We've reached the midpoint of our list, and we genuinely hope you've enjoyed the content thus far. If you want to see more of this kind of content, remember to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and activate notifications. Now, let's continue with the video and discover more exciting points ahead. 7. Support oral hygiene. Elevate your oral health with the remarkable benefits of clove tea, renowned for combating bad breath, toothaches, and certain oral infections. The active compound found in cloves, eugenol, acts as a natural antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and anesthetic, providing relief from toothache pain while ensuring a fresh and clean mouth. Moreover, incorporating clove tea into your routine adds a delightful twist to your tea experience. It is effortless to prepare and can be enjoyed either warm or chilled. Whether you find yourself cozied up by the fireplace on a chilly winter's day or lounging by the pool on a scorching summer afternoon, a cup of clove tea makes for the perfect companion. Consider it a win-win situation. You savor a flavorful tea while treating your teeth to a rejuvenating spa-like experience. 8. Support weight loss. Discover the ideal ally for your weight loss journey: clove tea, which aids in boosting your metabolism and reducing your appetite. The compounds found in cloves possess thermogenic properties, meaning they can increase your body's metabolic rate, leading to more efficient calorie burning. Moreover, clove tea helps decrease your appetite by providing a sense of fullness and satisfaction, effectively curbing cravings for unhealthy snacks and foods. Intriguingly, a study published in the Journal of Food and Function found that clove extract exhibited anti-obesity effects in mice with diet-induced obesity. The study indicated that clove extract functions by inhibiting fat absorption in the intestines and enhancing the activity of enzymes involved in fat metabolism. However, it's essential to note that if you're aiming for weight loss, adding sugar to your clove tea would not be advisable. Embrace the support of clove tea as you strive to achieve your weight loss goals, harnessing the power of increased metabolism and reduced appetite to aid you along the way. 9. Promote relaxation and reduce stress. Explore the potential of clove tea to alleviate stress and anxiety, as supported by various studies. In one study, rats subjected to a stressful situation received a clove extract, resulting in a remarkable reduction in stress hormone levels and an improvement in their overall well-being. Another study demonstrated that eugenol, a compound found in cloves, had the ability to alleviate anxiety symptoms in rats when administered at higher doses. Furthermore, the warmth exuded by clove tea has a soothing effect on the body, aiding in muscle relaxation and promoting a sense of calmness. 10. Enhance cardiovascular well-being. Elevate your cardiovascular health with the remarkable properties of clove tea, harnessing its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. Scientific studies have demonstrated that consuming clove extract can significantly reduce total cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, and triglyceride levels, while simultaneously increasing levels of good cholesterol, known as HDL cholesterol. Furthermore, research has shown that clove extract exerts a blood pressure-lowering effect in hypertensive rats, emphasizing its potential in promoting healthy blood pressure levels. Indulging in a cup of clove tea not only offers delightful flavors and a comforting warmth, but it also serves as a worthy ally in improving your heart health. However, it's important to remember that while clove tea contributes to cardiovascular well-being, engaging in regular cardio exercises is still essential. Clove tea is not a magical solution, but rather a valuable addition to a comprehensive heart-healthy lifestyle. 11. Enhance cognitive function. Indulging in a cup of clove tea is akin to bestowing liquid gold upon your precious gray matter. The antioxidants and compounds found in cloves act as stealthy little ninja warriors, infiltrating your brain to shield it from damage and inflammation. A remarkable study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology discovered that consuming cloves improved memory and cognitive function in rats with Alzheimer's disease. This improvement was attributed to the reduction in the formation of amyloid plaques within the brain. The beauty of it all lies in its natural essence: no need for extravagant supplements or brain-enhancing drugs. Just a simple cup of clove tea holds the power to unlock the full potential of your cognitive abilities. 12. Reduce joint pain. Imagine clove tea as your dedicated personal trainer for your joints, keeping them supple, resilient, and free from pain. Bid farewell to those creaky, cracking sounds, as your joints will become as smooth as butter. The remarkable compounds found in cloves possess potent anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. These properties work in harmony to reduce inflammation and alleviate joint pain, offering relief and preventing further damage to your joints. In turn, this can help slow down the progression of conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, and gout. Are you ready to embrace this incredibly healthy and delicious tea? Clove tea offers a powerful and natural approach to improving overall health and well-being. Moreover, incorporating clove tea into your routine adds variety and excitement to your tea selection. Its unique, warm, and slightly spicy flavor presents a delightful alternative to your usual cup of tea or coffee. To make a delicious and nutritious pot of cloves tea, we need to start by preparing good quality clove powder. Here is a simple and delightful way to create a lovely cup of clove tea at home. First, take a teaspoon of clove powder and place it in your teapot. Next, boil water and pour it into the teapot, then seal the lid tightly. Wait for about 20 minutes to allow the tea to steep and be enveloped by the distinctive aroma of cloves. If you'd like a delightful twist, you can add a few slices of fresh ginger to introduce a refreshing layer of flavor, or add honey for a sweeter and more aromatic tea. Finally, pour the tea into a cup, and you have a fragrant and alluring cup of clove tea to enjoy. We value your feedback. Let us know in the comments if you found this information informative and helpful. Remember to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any future videos. Don't forget to like and share this valuable content. Stay healthy and continue to prioritize your well-being.